In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to hide being online now on Skool. This can help you maintain focus and set boundaries, especially if you're using the platform for deep work or learning. It reduces pressure to respond immediately to messages or engage in real time, allowing you to control your availability and interactions. On your home page, tap onto your profile icon at your button right. Now, as you can see, this green dot clearly shows that I'm online. Now, to hide it, simply tap onto Edit Profile. You want to navigate to Membership Visibility. Here, simply disable this option next to everything and every community you are in, and changes will automatically get saved. Now, for any community you have disabled the visibility, they won't see you online even if you are online. Well, that's how easy it is to hide the online indicator on Skool. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.